Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Look, guys, I'm here again. I'm probably going to be here like every day this week because Dollar General is on fire, guys. Between the digital coupons, the Ibotta app, the in-store instant savings, it is just so much going on and so much stuff that you can get so cheap. So guys, for this deal, we're going to get some body wash, we're going to get some soap, we're going to get some cleaning supplies. You're going to need your 3 off of 15. So I did put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. So all you have to do is click on, make sure you have your Dollar General app open, click on the link, add it to your account, and get ready to go. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta yet, that's okay too, because I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments for Ibotta. And guess what? If you are new to Ibotta, this is your first time using it, when you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get $10 plus the amount of your rebate. Guys, how fantastic is that? So if you do any of these deals and you redeem your receipt to Ibotta, that's going to make these deals a moneymaker for you. Wow. All right, guys, I'm going to jump right into the deal. So hit the subscription button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the bell right next to it so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. And hit the like button for me. Let them know that we're doing some good things over here at Nicole's Making It Happen, so YouTube can share my video over and over and over again. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to grab one of these men's body wash, Dove body wash men plus care. Now my shelf says that they're $5.80, but when I ring them up in the app, they ring up $6. So I'm going with the $6 price. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of these. It doesn't matter what kind. You see they have all kind of scents. I'm just grabbing the first one. Okay, so that's $5.80, and we are going to use this $2.50 coupon. You see it just came out Sunday in your save insert. It doesn't expire to 7/30. Okay, we're going to use that, and then we're going to go into the DG app. We're going to clip the $1 off any Dove plus Men Care digital store coupon, and we're going to clip the $2 off $7 when you buy Dove products. Now, some of you guys might not have that, and some of you may have it. It's been on my account. I clipped it like 2 weeks ago, I think it was. So if you don't have it, it's okay. It's still a good deal. But Dollar General also has a deal. When you spend $8 in Dove products, you get $2 off. So we're going to make sure that we get our total up to $8. So you could grab one of these if you want it. This is a men's travel size Dove body wash. Those are $2. That will bring us up to $8. Or you could grab 2 of these soaps, and these soaps are $1 a piece. I'm going to grab 2 of these soaps. Okay, so I'm going to put that into my cart. So that brings us to exactly $8. All right, so let's head up to the register and let's see what our total is. All right, guys, so let's go over our receipt for the Dove. So there you see I got the 2 Dove bars of soap, and I got the body wash. That brought me to $8. Okay, there's my $2.50 off paper coupon that I use. There's the dollar digital coupon that came off, and then there is the $2 for spending $7. So the $2 for spending $8 didn't come off. I don't know which $2 one this is. I don't know if it's the $2 off $7 or it's the $2 off $8. I'm not sure which came off, but this came to $2.80. I'm absolutely fine with that. So if you want to do the Dove deal with the men's, then this is a scenario for you to do with the paper coupon. So really, the 30 cents is tax, so it really only cost me $2.50. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the pine saw. And before we even get into the deal, I want you guys to go to pinesaw.com and you can print off $1 coupons. Now, for those coupons, they're different every time. Like the first time I printed them off, there was no size restriction. But right now, if you go to pinesaw.com and you print off the pine saw coupons, the restriction is that they have to be 40 fluid ounces or larger. Now, that's only if you want to get more than one pine saw. If you're just getting one, then you can just use the pine saw coupon that's in the digital app, the dollar digital app. But if you want to get more than one, then you're going to want to go to the Pine Saw website and print off those coupons. So when you go to sign up, they're going to ask you for your email, and that's all they ask for. And you don't have to verify your email or anything. And then you just go to coupons and offers and click on it, and you'll be able to print off 2 copies of the Pine Saw coupon. Now, if you want to get more than 2, so if you go to the website, you print off 2 coupons, and then you have the one in the DJ app, that'll give you 3. But if you want a total of 5, and that's what I'm getting, if you want a total of 5, then you're going to have to make another account and then print off 2 more. So what I did is I put my email address in, printed off 2 coupons. Then I put my mom's email address in, and I printed off another 2 coupons. You don't have to use a different device, a different server, or anything like that. I printed those 4 coupons on the same computer, the same server, the same device. I just used my email and my mom's email. And then I'm going to use the digital coupon that's in the app. So I'm going to mix these up. So I'm going to get these, the yellow ones, and those are, you see, they're 48 ounces, so they qualify. They're $3.50. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. And then I'm going to get 2 of the blue. Those are 48 ounces also. They're $3.50. No, I'm just going to get 1 of the blue. And I'm going to get 2 of the regular. Okay? And again, these are 40 ounces, and they're $3.50. So you actually get more with the blue ones and the yellow ones as opposed to the multi-surface. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. So that's going to be a total of 5 pine saws that I'm getting. Now you might say, well, why are you getting so many? They're not on sale. The reason I'm getting 5 is because there is an Ibotta rebate for 5 of them, and you get $1 back for each one. So not only am I going to get the $5 off for the coupons, but I'm also going to get $5 back from Ibotta, and I'm going to use my 3 off of 15. Now if you don't have a 3 off of 15, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put the link in the description box. You just click on the link. Make sure when you click on the link, your app is open. You're going to add it to your wallet. Fill in everything they're asking you to fill in. And boom, now you have the 3 off 15. Okay, guys. So this is what the dollar coupon looks like for the pine saw. So we're going to do 5 of those because at Dollar General, you can do 5 of the same coupon. We're actually going to do 4 paper and 1 digital. Plus, we're going to submit to Ibotta to get $1 back for each one of these. And we're going to use our 3 off of 50. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go over the receipt. I'm back in the car. So I have a surprise for you. I wasn't sure if it was going to attach or not, so I didn't want to say anything until I was finished with the transaction. So first, let me say that those pine saws are $4. They're not $3.50 like the shelf says. I should have scanned them, but it's okay. I still would have gotten 5 because the Ibotta rebate is for 5. So I got 5 of the pine saws. You can see they're all $4, so that comes to $20. You see there's 5 $1 coupons. I use 4 paper and 1 digital. Now, the first $3 discount is my 3 off of 15. And then this other 3 off of 15 is the $3 off when you spend $15 worth of, you buy $15 worth of school supplies. I wasn't sure if that was going to attach. It attached in the app, but I wanted to make sure it attached at the register. So that was an even bigger savings. So that brought my total down to $9. We don't count the 84 cents, okay? So I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $1 for each one of the pine saws. So that was $4 out of pocket. So when you divide 5 pine saws by $4, that means I paid 80 cents for each one of those pine saws. Guys, that's a pretty good deal. Okay guys, so this is everything that we got today for this haul, the 5 pine saws. I'm also going to submit my receipt to coupons.com for that $1 off, and I'll let you guys know in the community tab if I get that $1 back. I probably will, because they've been glitching and I've been getting the money back even though I'm using a paper coupon. So make sure that you have the Ibotta app downloaded. Make sure you have your digital pine saw clipped in the DG app. Make sure you go to pinesaw.com and print out those coupons. And guys, make sure that you put your deals together and you take your time so that you get the maximum savings. And until the next time, keep on saving.